So, if you are among those who are unable to earn money online without investing, this video is for you. Because in this video, I'll share a 3-step blueprint that will completely remove the guesswork and help you to earn money, I would say up to $1,000 if you are following the process which I'll be showing in this video properly. So, without exaggeration, let's start with the step number 1. And the step number 1 is to find a winning product idea. Now, step one is to find the demand. I would say you don't need to invent ideas. You have to find already existing problems that need solution. And for that, you have to visit Reddit. For that purpose, to find a product idea, you need to visit Reddit. And now what you need to do here is that you just need to look for niches where people are trying to automate things, organize their business, and learn a skill. Here you should join some Reddit subreddits like r slash Excel, r slash Shopify, or r slash digital marketing. Now, after joining these subreddits, go to the search bar inside these subreddits and type the pain point keywords. And you can search for phrases like, is there a template for Dagesh? How do I automate Dagesh? Or can someone write a script for Dagesh? So after you find a query like that, look at the comments section of that video or that post. And if there are more people talking about that and looking for the solution to that problem, you got an idea. And let me tell you, that's a validated idea. And in this way, you got a product idea which will be in demand for you. So this is step number 1. And in the step number 2, you need to create it with the help of Claude. Now, in the step number 2, we had to build it. For that, we know, since we know that what problem is, you need to open the Claude AI to create the solution. We are going to prompt Claude to build a solution, and let me tell you, instead of a simple prompt like telling a Claude build this, you can use a prompt like, hey Claude, act as a senior data analyst, create a custom Excel sheets or Google Sheets blueprint for Shopify sellers. I need Excel formulas for column A through column G, and that can automatically deduct 5% transaction fee, ad spends, and standard shipping weights. Give me a step-by-step instructions on how the user sets it up. So this is the prompt, and if you don't have it, I will be arranging this in the description of this video, so don't worry about the prompt, and within minutes Claude will come up with the best guide for you. So in this way, you got the Claude's output, and what you need to do, copy the Claude's response and improve it and organize it cleanly into a document or file. So in this way, we got completed, and we completed the step number 2. And the step number 3 and the final step is to list it on Gumroad. Now you got the product ready. It's time to make it public for free on Gumroad. In Gumroad, what you need to do is that you need to click on new product option, and after that you need to select digital product. That is, you selected the category of your product, and after that you need to upload it, add the title, set price, and hit publish. Now your product is public and ready to earn you money. Now here comes the most important thing after doing this. What you need to do is that you have to copy the link of your product and pitch it to customers on Reddit. And by the way, you don't have to drop a post on Reddit saying buy my product to calculate Shopify or to improve Shopify margins. You have to go back to those exact Reddit threads where users were complaining about the problem, reply directly to public or people asking for help, and so in this way you will be getting the sale of your product. Now, if you are unable to write a highly persuasive comment to potential customers, I can provide you directly in your DMs, but you just need to comment I want it. So comment I want it, and I'll be sliding the exact comment which you should be pitching to the potential customers to get sale of your product. So that's it for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.